So I recently got this glass double-sided frame from Amazon and I absolutely love it. I bought a few because after I got married this summer, I decided to make a few gifts for some very special people. I dried and pressed my wedding bouquet flowers, and then I've been putting them in this frame alongside a photograph from the special day. I've already done two. They've worked out so well. They are really beautiful, and I saved this last frame just to show you how it looks. So this is the colour. It's a sort of beautiful gold, almost bronze colour, and then it has a latch at the top so that you can open up each panel. So you just slide the latch, the panels open so that you can put something inside, and then close them and secure it again. It has a really good weight to it. It feels very good quality. I'm really impressed by what good value they are, and I think it looks beautiful too. So this is the 8x10 size, and I'll just show you the back here, how it hinges so it can open completely flat if you want it to. So overall, I'm super happy with this and I would definitely recommend it.